Hi, I am Bhavna Jain. I didn't inherit gold empire. I did not have a massive bank balance and I surely didn't have a business degree. But today I am gold business coach, a tech entrepreneur and author of 2 books. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start your own profitable gold jewelry business even if you have zero investment, zero background, zero connection and think this industry isn't for you. So if you are a working professional feeling stuck in a job or a homemaker who dreams of doing something more, stay with me because gold might be your gateway to freedom. Let's start by busting 3 myths that stop people from entering the gold business. First myth, I need a family background. Second, I need 50 lakhs to start. Third, it's risky and hard to understand. These are not truths. These are limiting beliefs and they have kept thousands of smart, capable professionals from building real wealth. Here is the truth. You don't need a legacy. You need a system. You don't need capital. You need courage. And you don't need perfection. You need mentor. Let me take you back. I was a software engineer. I knew logic, not jewelry. But I married into a jewelry family and saw the pain behind gold sparkle, manual work, inventory chaos, no proper records. So I started building software tools like GrowOn TikMak to make their life easier. That's when I realized technology can simplify gold business like never before. Today, I help professionals start their own gold business with low investment and full support. Step 1. Learn the basics, understand purity, weight, hallmarking and pricing. I teach all this inside my gold business launchpad. Second, start with affordable jewelry. Begin with items like 1 gram gold or coins and pendants. Easy to move, low risk and build customer trust. Step 3. Build an online brand. Use Instagram, WhatsApp and simple e-commerce platforms. I'll show you how to build trust without a shop. Use technology. Apps like GrowOn for product management and TikMak for QR code labels make you look professional from day one. Step 5. Get vendor and buyer support. This is where most fail. That's why I provide ready vendors access inside my program so you never feel stuck. If you're waiting for the right time, this is it. Gold prices are rising, online jewelry selling is booming. Consumers trust small brands that feel authentic. You don't need to quit your job right away. Start part-time, start small, but start. Every day you wait is a day you delay your dream. Here are top 3 mistakes I have seen beginners make. Jumping into high-ticket jewelry without market research. No understanding of pricing, losing profit. Waiting too long for perfect conditions. Let your journey begin imperfectly. Look, I have seen people with zero experience turn into successful jewelry entrepreneur. They weren't special. They just had a mentor, a roadmap, and they believed they deserve more than a job. So if you are serious about starting, go to gembhavna.com and register for my next free masterclass. Stop thinking and start building because gold isn't just a metal, it can be your freedom plan.